ZEUS is a lightweight, highly modular and robust robot designed for teams that must carry out remote activities. By increasing the distance between operators and equipment carrying out dangerous tasks, high levels of safety can be achieved. ZEUS is able to perform a wide range of remote tasks from search, EOD, CBRNe and nuclear, integrating your tools to carry out your tasks effectively. Its modular design allows you to configure the robot in field and carry out maintenance tasks quickly and easily, keeping your robot availability to a maximum. The 3-section articulated arm has tremendous dexterity, allowing you to gain access to the most awkward places and deploy a range of tools such as disruptors, X-ray systems or sensors. ZEUS utilises a standard commercially off-the-shelf battery in both the robot and the control unit, reducing your battery inventory and can last up to 4 hours on mission. Using an intuitive touchscreen control unit, no language barriers exist and the robot operation is quick to learn. The on-screen avatar shows in real time the robot configuration and the preset configurations speed up tasks. Capable of accepting a wide range of disruptors and sensors, ZEUS is ready to support you in your safekeeping duties.